It's time to go out on the boat. First thing we got to do is we got to refuel. So what our motor is a Yamaha 30 horsepower outboard motor, and it is a 2-stroke motor. The ratio is about 100 to 1. So we have 3 10-liter jugs, and we're going to put about 100 milliliters, if not a little more, of oil into the gas to mix it so our motor can run properly. 100 milliliters of this banger into the gas. So I don't know.
That precision pour. Is that one empty?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so that. We're gonna go out and past Cat Island almost to where Embry is, and then we're gonna come right back and probably sleep because we had a lot of late nights lately playing gigs. So, Davey Gravy. Actually,
the day was absolutely beautiful. It was a whopping 30 degrees Celsius out, and we were happy to have the chance to get out on the water. On our way out of the marina, we had our first marina traffic experience. Another boat was leaving at the exact same time we were, so we opted to let them go before us. We brought the motor to idle speed and even gave it a small shot of gas in reverse to slow us down. Once we got out, it was all about enjoying each other in this incredible day of clear skies, warm weather, and great company. We even made it over a school of thousands of angel jellyfish.
Starting to feel really confident about it, that I think we're soon ready to do some further trips, to stop out in the bay and maybe have a barbecue. In an emergency situation, we can run that motor if we need, and in a total emergency situation, we can paddle.
We made it out to the peak distance of our trip and then turned around. On our way back, however, we had noticed that an army of dark clouds had moved in extremely fast. This wasn't in the forecast.
Paradise. Rain. Paradise. Rain. Paradise. Bathe.
It's crazy that behind me it looks like a beautiful, glorious sunny day, and it
We made the decision to book it back to the marina. The rain started, and as we got close to the marina, the rain got worse and worse.
Well, the rain has started. We've accepted the inevitability of getting drenched, and there's a boat about to come past us. It's going to leave a big greasy wake. We're about to get rolling. Let's do it.
We kept our cool and kept it business as usual with regards to safely getting back to our marina berth.
This is an adventure of Adam and Tia right now, caught in the rain. Okay, just come in real quick. We're not gonna get in anyone's way. You look great. Have a great day, man. I am sad. Okay. We are coming in hard.
Though we were absolutely soaked, we were extremely happy with our docking job this time.
You're good? You're good? You're good? Best docking yet.
It's absolutely incredible how the weather went from this to this in just under an hour. Thanks for watching, and remember, let us make the mistakes so you don't have to.
And in a crazy situation, we'll probably die. Oh, the big old fat rain, Bubba. Bum, bum, bum.